Hello, welcome to this new video. So today our agenda is that lots of people I'm working with business owners most probably. So they are blamed that they're spending lots of money but they don't getting any sales and calls. So I analyze them. The major thing is that the conversion tracking. So let's discuss about how this things is working. Okay. So when on people's run Google Ads campaign, the Googles don't know about your audience. Don't Googles don't have any data. Which people's look like your services, which people's really buy your service, your quality of product. Okay, so for that, Google's randomly show your ads to these people's, and that's why Google's at the first times Google don't have data. That's why Google's waste lots of money. So that's why no, not to need it, wrong location, wrong age, lots of peoples. We can target our audience, a lot of things we can do. But at the first times, Google's spending lots of money to understand your audience. So that is the things. So that is happen for no conversion tracking, no event setup, and your if your Google Ads account is new, that's why you Google's is spending money to these peoples understand which people share your audience. Okay, ideal audience. So then. Uh, if if you set up conversion tracking g4 tracking, okay, then it's working well. So then you are uh, Google Ads tag manager tracking to Google's g4 event purchase, lead from submission, phone calls, enhanced conversion tracking, value tracking, service right tracking. Then the people see your ads and they click on your website. Okay, they click on your website, they click on your website and they see the button, cta button or something, and they uh, fill up the form, they enter name and email address or something, they send a message or lead from submit. Okay, so that is the process. After 30 to 50 conversion, in 30 to 50 conversions, if you don't have conversion tracking yet, Google's don't give you lower cpc, lots of client. Okay, so the first thing is that you need to tracking setup, and the first 30 to 50 conversion is too high, I mean too high spending money. Okay, so after 30 to 50 conversion, Google's analyze the people 30 to 50, what they are interested about, the device, the search intent, the story, website behavior, what the behavior in your website, times, Gmail activity, their activity. Google's is analyze because Google have our Gmails, lot of access. I mean, not a privacy access, but a lot of access Google have to analyze. Okay, so then Google research the similar peoples, like which peoples is to look to buy your service. So then Google says show your ads to them, which is really look like the previous audience. I mean, 30 to 50 convertible peoples. Then your CTR, cost per click, and CPC and revenue is increased. So that is the process. So for that, the main thing is that you need to set up your conversion tracking accurately. You need to see that the conversion tracking is working properly. Then your strategy, keyword research, all things is working, but without conversion tracking and proper tracking, all of the Google Ads is not working and performing well. So that is the things, that is our main motive in this videos. So that's it. Okay, for that, if you need any kind of help for tracking and accurate tracking of Google Ads, helping your business to grow, I am here happy to help you. Okay, so bye bye, see you again in another video.